Watercolor painting is a beautiful art form. It's known for its delicate nature. The way colors blend is, well, mesmerizing. Watercolor painting can be a relaxing hobby. It allows for creativity and expression. Having the right tools is important for watercolor painting. Watercolor paints come in tubes and pans. Round brushes are versatile for various strokes. Watercolor paper is specifically designed to handle water. And of course, a palette is needed for mixing colors. Many online resources are available for beginners. Start with simple tutorials. Practice basic techniques like washes and layering. Learn how to control water and paint, and experiment with different color combinations. Watercolor painting is a journey. Embrace the process and enjoy the experience. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Learn from them and keep practicing. Over time, your skills will improve. Most importantly, have fun.